Okay, let's get started. I'm going to show you how to download and install Zoom on your computer. This is my first time doing it, but I know a lot of people are using it to teach courses, classes in schools and colleges and meetings, jobs. People are using them on their jobs now since this coronavirus. So I'm going to put this link below in the description. It's www.zoom. So once you log on to Zoom, you click that get started for free. And it asks you to verify some information. You hit continue. And I'm gonna sign up using my email address. You can do Google or Facebook or however you want to do it. I'm gonna go with my email address. So I'm gonna type my email address here, hit get started, sign up, and they'll send you an email. Just open the email and click on the link. Or if you can't get to that link, just copy that description or that stuff below right there and get started. You can copy this and just paste it on Google. Once you click that link, like I put not for school, just go through and fill out the information. Create a password and make sure you click I'm not a robot and you're done, really. So everything's downloading. You see down here, it's almost complete. So you hit the execute down here. So it's done. It's 100% completed. So you can join in or you can start. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start from scratch. And we're gonna go through creating a meeting. So I just installed the Zoom, as you can see, and this is my first time trying to use it. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is. If you go down here to the bottom, and I'm gonna right click and go ahead and make sure that this is pinned. So it's already pinned, or you can unpin it. So I'm gonna pin it down here. So now we're gonna go ahead and open it up. So to start a meeting, just go to new meeting. Or if somebody send you an email and tell you to join, you can click right here. And mine's already logged on. I don't have to enter the password again because it recognized this computer. So I'm gonna start a new meeting. So I'm gonna click new meeting. Okay, I'm gonna join with this computer audio, or you can get your own audio system. So right there, it puts my name up there. So right here, you have your mute. And then you have your start video. You can click it to start and stop. And security, participant, it says one. So I'm gonna click over here and I'm gonna add somebody. I'm gonna invite. Say for instance, I want to invite somebody, or I could do an email list to invite them. I can email them, or if you know who it is, or you already got a group created, you can do that. So I'm gonna do an email. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click and copy my invite link. Okay, I'm gonna click here and copy my link. And in my notepad, I'm gonna copy this link. And when you copy the link, you also have to give them join this meeting, invite people to the meeting. So you want to put I'm gonna type my ID and I'm gonna type my meeting password. So when you get ready to send the email, just copy and you want to paste this into an email group. If you already got an email group created, you can go to your AOL, Gmail, whatever you got, and just copy and send that. Once you send it off, only thing they have to do is click on that link right here and type in the information and join the meeting. So I'm gonna be teaching some CWI prep courses online. So if I probably start this next week or the week after, but you can look in if anybody want to become a CWI or want to join these classes, I will be sending out more information later this week or next week. You can hit your mute right here and click it again. It'll unmute. and you click on this arrow button right here, and you can do all kind of stuff right here. Text speaking on mic and leave computer audio. This right here, and you click, you see what video I got it. I'm videoing right now. You know, when I click this, it's giving me this message right here because I'm recording while I'm making this Zoom video. So we can go to security. Let's click on security. And there's some features here on the security. Participant. I'm the only participant right now. So I click on it. If I want to invite somebody, I'm going to click right here, invite. And when I invite them, I can use my default email. We're going to invite somebody. And we'll just say, I'm going to just send it to myself. And you notice that once I clicked it, it automatically put this information in there as a default. So I really didn't need to paste this stuff in a note. When I put email as a default, it automatically put this stuff right here. So when this is emailed to everybody, it says meeting ID, password, all this stuff is on the email. And you just send it to a group of people if you got a group of people. We're going to exit that. And you can mute all. Say, for instance, people coming in, you want to mute them, just hit the mute all. So all participants to unmute themselves. You can allow them to unmute themselves, or you can uncheck that to where they can't say anything until you allow. So I'm going to click that to allow and hit yes. And you see right here, you see where it's talking, you can go more. You can rename, you can add profiles. It's a lot of stuff that you can do. And you can learn this as you go. We're going to make this smaller so you can see. Instead of making it full screen, if you want to make it full screen, just click right here. But we don't want to make it full screen. I'm going to make it smaller. And what you want to do, you got your chat. You can click here to turn chat on so people could start chatting. And you can go here and do a lot of different things. And you can record this. So as the meeting is going, you can record everything, and then you can send it to the group later or save it for your information. You can go right here and pause recording. You go right here and stop recording. So I'm just clicking on these things so you can see what you can do. See all this information. And also you can share your screen. So for instance, we want to share the screen. I want to share this PowerPoint presentation. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to hit share, or you can double click and hit share. So now they can see this PowerPoint presentation right here. So if I'm there teaching, I can go right here and I'm sharing this with my students. So my students can see my spreadsheet right here. So you can hit right here to stop sharing. You can pause the sharing. It's a lot of stuff that you can do. You can mute this. Let's click the mute. Click it again to unmute. So I'm gonna go new share. So anything you got open here, you can share. Right here, you see where the recording. So I'm gonna just click on that, double click, see what happens. As you can see down here, it's recording. So I'm sharing this also. That's why you seen that message where it's saying that I'm recording. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching welding and stuff.